do. Yeah. All right, come on, we go. You pick it up because it's gonna go off. There you go. Say hi, Mom. Can you pick that up? Look at that leaf. Come on. Slowly. Come on. I'll go behind her then. Very good, Isabella. Slow it down, slow it down. You're a runner. Let's turn it this way a little bit. Come on. Go get Mommy. Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Are those birds?
Come here, Belle. Come here, Belle.
Let's go get Mommy. Good.
Come on, Belle. Nice job.